Yo, what up suspects, welcome back to the channel. So on today's vlog we're going to be stripping down this red German Spec that we bought. Like I told you guys, we're going to have to sacrifice 1M to save a few. So someone needs a body for their car. So today we're going to get to stripping down this car, getting it ready for the next owner. We're going to start off by taking out the faders. So Kel's hooking us up with the battery there. We're going to try and connect some power to it to move them front and back. So come along guys, and we're going to show you guys how we're going to strip down this car. And yeah, let's go. So Kel's connecting some power there.
Bro, that's making the window open. What?
It's opening the window. Okay, so the wiring is a bit messed up here.
Okay, wait, it's fine, it's fine. I think I got the solution.
Oh yeah, it's working.
King, put your gloves back on.
And that's how you move a seat forward and no power.
Yeah,
but some power.
Just figured out how to open on a window too.
From the seat. Yo. Full of surprises as usual. So Kel, how far are we with our progress?
Okay, so we've stripped out the interior, we stripped out most of the, we need to get the cluster out, steering out, door panels out, roof lining out. You can check over there, the sunroof's out.
Sunroof is out.
Trying to remove most of the beadings and stuff like that, because the guys will replace it when they take the car. I'm busy pulling out the diff now and the drive shafts as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then we'll pull the exhaust out as well. And now they mounted it when they put it on when we were moving the car, but we'll check.
I see some wire hangers that they made there.
Yeah, let's
I don't think it's held on by anything strong.
Let's see, we'll check. Faders are out, control them inside the car. E36 is the shell loops.
Yeah, so the faders are out.
The parts there as well. Yeah, just to get our pump out.
I mean, yeah, so
as you can see, the original color of the car was white, but
yeah,
the car will get a full respray now when it goes in.
Yeah, so they're gonna spray this car actually Avis blue. Yeah, Avis blue. So yeah, this car has been sprayed. You can see it was sprayed white. It was Calypso red at one stage. So yeah, but at least we know it's gonna be a nice job done on this car.
Exactly.
So technically, we're not really destroying this car. We're actually sending the whole car. The car's getting
brought back. We'll get brought back.
It's getting donated a proper motor. It's getting donated everything.
So a whole fresh car will be going in, and just that car has some chassis leg damage, so hence they using this body as a donor body.
And Cal, you know, you've stripped a lot of E36s before. How's this car's interior and body and stuff compared to the other ones you've
It's
seen?
really decent. The body is pretty straight. It has been sprayed once or twice. As you can see, they changed the carpet on the inside. But other than that, it's good. It's an honest body. You know that you can still work with. No
Even the
damage, no,
the interior held up pretty well. Look at the leather
from rust, you know, like 1 or 2 spots only. That's about it.
For a car from Durban, the rust isn't bad at all.
It's just the battery mounted on the floor here where the drainage pipe normally goes in.
Yeah. guys? It's the next day now, so we're gonna be pulling out the motor from the car. Cal's already gotten started taking off the bonnet and stuff, so yeah, let's pull it out. We got our motor out.
3.2.
What's your takes on our motor? Like we've got it hanging here. We can see every inch of this motor. Like check out the branches are the way they were.
Exactly. It needs a nice clean up, but I think we'll be stripping it down.
So taking the motor out was the easy part.
Yeah.
So now's the juicy part. We're gonna start tearing down this motor and
bag, every bolt will be available.
Yeah.
From bolt to oil pump. Yeah.
Everything we can all the bolts we're gonna bag, all the parts we're gonna part out for this car, clean it up, and yeah, hopefully we can get some cash for this 3.2 motor.
Yeah, actually.
Yo, what's up guys? We're back. It's actually a few weeks later. It's actually the new year as well, so happy 2024 to you guys. Hope it's prosperous.
Yeah, happy 2024 guys.
Now the videos are coming out a bit late because you know it is a one-man production team here, so the editing we're learning as we're going along, but hopefully we'll get some people on board as well for this year and help us with the editing and with the music. But yeah, so as for this video guys, we weren't able to strip down that motor. We will get down to it eventually.
Yeah, we got a bit busy fetching some other cars, M cars as well, which you guys will see in future vlogs.
Yeah, definitely.
Vlogs as well.
Yeah, now in the next video you guys are gonna see what we've been up to.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Been busy.
So guys, I hope you turn on notifications, subscribed, and yeah.
Make sure leave a comment as well. If
Yeah.
you would like to see anything special. I don't know.
And we'll see you guys in the next episode.